Lake Nona, that's where we're at right now. This community is called Isles of Lake Nona. Isles of Lake Nona is located right off of Narcoossee Road, near the corner of Narcoossee and Boggy Creek. And I've done other videos in this community. I'm going to do a new one right now. This model home that is behind me is roughly around 2,300 square feet and higher, depending on the options that you choose. It is called the Ashby, and Pulte makes a really good home. They have lots of product. They have different size homes to meet your needs, and they do quality work. You find them all around. They're a very reputable builder. So the home behind me, it does not really have a porch like we've seen in the past, but it does have a nice canopy entrance, and it's a good size. So if you don't mind, take a second out before we start. If you could hit like, subscribe, and the bell notification icon, that helps to get the word out to you, and it helps to grow the channel so that more people can see the content that I'm out here fishing for all of you. So I appreciate your support. Hey, let's check this home out.